loving wife.
Sa?
Receive a gift from my loving wife. So this costs 1,350. This is the first box. Look at this.
Wow. Ganun ka? Nice po siya ay.
So let's test it out.
Magyapon ba og tiil?
Oh, steady.
Magyapon ng jogging pants. Mag-jogging pants matug office. Ang isa daw. Ang isa sa Picasso style. Diba? The other.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So she brought me 2 pairs. So this one is 1,730. Look at this. Ta-da!
Uy, bukas man din na green. Paano ka mag-black? Ang isa.
Hindi black. So it's look like the same design, but no, it's not the same. Well, actually, they almost the same design. Nothing so.
Bitaw mo.
You can see the difference.
Mapansin ka na sa mukhang mga ka-office mate kapag ingon anak.
Sa button.
Ingon anak. Radiant lang ang style sa isa.
It's aesthetic. Overbit ka. Overbit ka.